Alright everybody, we got one of the best noodles in the game. The Shin Black with beef bone broth. Now these noodles are like Korean noodles. I think it really doesn't say, it just says they're from California, manufactured. But how I ever come across this brand is way back in the day when I was 15 something. I was in a military type boarding school, and a Korean dude had bought a big box of them. His family had sent a lot of these, but there are those ones that the nongshim that you would see in the cups, the bowls. That's how I come across these big boys, and I fell in love ever since, because on some of the bowl packages they have the little chef approved. And man, they may be more expensive than your regular ramen noodles, but these, they taste the best. So what we got here is the Shin Black, and we're about to cut up some scallions so we can put in the water, and I'm gonna put some chili in here. But basically, it comes in here. So what we got? We got a vegetable mix. All you gotta do is get you 2 cups, and 1/3 cup water is what it says. Put in there. Also, in this packet, it comes with the So Long Tang soup base. So we got vegetable mix and the soup base. And the other thing we got in here is another soup base. So these noodles right here, they're a little bit, they got a little bit of spice to them, but they're so good. Now let me whip all this up and cook it up, and we'll show you what's next. Alright, first thing we're going to cut up some scallions. If you don't know what these are your basic green onions. They come in a big long stick. You cut off the ends right there, and you chop them up, slice them, and dice them up. And that's basically what we're going to put in the soup. I don't have any other vegetables at this point. We're going to put that, and we're going to put some Wendy's chilies I got in earlier. So we're going to put both of the ingredients in the noodles, and we're going to see what it tastes like. So now that they're all sliced and diced, we're going to put them in the water, and we're going to start to boil. So the instructions on here, it says just boil 2 and 1/3 cups of water, then add all that you see there into it, and then you cook the 4 to 5 minutes, depending on what your noodle texture you want it to be. And basically that's it. So we're gonna leave the onions in there. We're gonna make it boil, so that way it'll cook the onions in there. The onions give it a little good flavor, and we'll continue after we got it boiling. Alright, we got the noodles just dropped them bad boys in there. Gonna let them boil for about 4 minutes. We'll see. I want my noodles where they're just, yeah, they're just nice and textury. That's what I want them to do. Stir it a little bit. 4 minutes goes by quick. But once we get done, we'll take a look at it. Alright. And it is all done. And this is how I like my noodles. They are so good, and it's got like a spicy kick to it. The onions, green scallions looking good. And yeah, that's how we do, that's how we cook with Shin Black Nongshim Shin Black noodles. Alright, you can put anything you want in there, so I just put what I had, and create your own dish. Let me know if you ever tried these noodles before. Drop a few comments, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.